I just recently did videos that I stopped shopping at Hermes. What? Here you go, guys. Another Hermes unboxing. Please stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Oksana. Thank you so very much for clicking on this video to share my joy. And you know, I'm eating my own words because just recently I did video. I stopped shopping at Hermes, and I'm gonna link that video somewhere over here. I also mentioned that I have one extra haul to do, like, you know, because before that I purchased some items that I need to unbox with you guys. And also I said over there that if I will be offered a handbag, I will definitely buy it. So there we go. It's definitely handbag unboxing, so I'm so excited. I hope that you're going to be excited for me as well. But before I proceed with the unboxing, I want to say a few very kind words about Lily Silk. And I have my polo shirt over here wearing from Lily Silk. They were kind enough to send me this polo shirt. And you know, often people think that silk is some kind of, like, you know, shimmery material, but believe me, silk it's a little bit more than that, and it could be in a knit fabric as well, and one of the most breathable materials. And in fact, I have already a beautiful shirt from Lily Silk. If I have a model in chat, I will insert it. And I love that shirt so very much. It was in a blue color as well, so hint, I really love blue color, especially kind of like a darker blue color, because this one blue with the white. And this shirt could be as a sport wear because it's very sporty, but at the same time you can wear it with a nice pair of trousers, you can wear it with a skirt, you can wear it with a pair of denim, or even simply with a pair of denim shorts or simple white shorts for summer. I really love it so very much. I got myself size medium, and it's very comfortable fit. I'm normally size 6 or 8 in US sizes, and I would say I could have easily gone with the size small, but I usually prefer just a little bit kind of like wider, looser. And I really love their message also. They always talk about sustainability of the items, reuse of the items, reuse of the materials. You know that they do their items, sorry. This time also they sent me a scarf, and it's absolutely gorgeous, kind of like a polka dot scarf. It's not very big. I believe it's 45 by 45 centimeters. And once again, they changed their packaging. It's kind of like very classy look right now, black and white. You could never go wrong with that. And I absolutely love the scarf because the scarf, especially this size, you can easily use it just, you know, kind of like more of the decorative pieces on your neck, or even tying on your hair. For instance, if I wanna kind of like, you know, put a little bit more details on my neck, see how just a simple knot, and see how simple and pretty it is. Or I can add it to my hair, for instance, just kind of like, you know, tying my hair in a pony tail, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. Or if you can make it like, you know, hairband, like, I mean, there is so much possibilities, You can tie also on your handbag. Absolutely love it. And I already talked about the beauty of the products that I almost forget to mention, guys. I have a discount code for you, and this is let me just make sure. I obviously gonna link it in the description box below if you're planning to buy something from Lily Silk, so please help yourself with the discount code. So the extra 12% discount. So this is the extra 12% discount when you're buying just one item, and it's going to be OxanaLV 12. But if you're gonna buy one, then the second one will be 25% off, and it's going to be OxanaLV 25. So obviously I'm gonna link also this blouse, and I'm gonna link the scarf in the description box below. So help yourself. By no means I don't get paid for it. It just like, you know, I'm sharing the discount code with you guys. If you love silk items, I think you will be highly happy. I absolutely love it. It's gorgeous, feels so nice. And as I said, the scarf, there is so much possibility. Love this polka dot as well. Thank you so much, Lily Silk. I really appreciate it. Let's now start with unboxing, because I'm extremely excited about this unboxing as well. And I've been waiting for this item for almost 2 years. When you're gonna see the bag, you will know the story and everything. So I'm not gonna show the side of the bag, so you're not gonna get it right away what was the bag. Lately, once again, like I already mentioned this several times, that, you know, in our local boutique I just received the receipts just like that. I guess they have a trouble of getting envelopes, I guess so. So anyway, based on the size, you know that it's a mini handbag. So let's just open. The ribbons, it seems to me that ribbons also changed. These ribbons are so large, because previously all the ribbons that I had before, it was thin. I don't know, this ribbon is also very large. It's the first time I saw a ribbon so large. So so let me just open this package. So happy. Okay, I hope that it's focusing. Okay, there you go, guys. It comes with a raincoat, comes with a care booklet. So excited about this item. And the color, oh my gosh, I want to have this color for such a long time. Okay, guys, are you ready? I'm so happy. So this is mini Lindy, mini Clemence leather, tube collar with the gold hardware. And this is my second mini Lindy from the local boutique. The first mini Lindy I got, it was a black Clemence with the gold hardware, and I had this bag literally just for few hours, I would say. And I find out that this loose stitch, I think I discovered this in about 24 hours, about the loose stitch. Then I contact my local boutique, and I went to my local boutique, I would say in a week time, to actually get refund for that handbag. But I get a sense of mini Lindy within that short period of time. Obviously I didn't use it outside, but I tried at home. I tried my items. In fact, in my unboxing video, I'm so happy. And then I did the video Hermes quality issue, and I showed that loose stitch, and I was like, you know, so upset that I have to return that handbag. Anyway, you know, whatever happens in life happens for the best, because I wanted to have a tube color in my collection for such a long time, because it's such a classic color for Hermes, and I finally got it. And it's such a usable color, it's such a practical color, it's such a beautiful color, it's such a classic color for Hermes. And what I love about the tubes, that it could be in a cooler tone, it could be in a warmer tone, you can wear it in summer, you can wear it in winter. Like, I mean, it's absolutely spectacular color. So, but let's admire this beauty first. So you can see I already unbuttoned this one because I tried at the boutique. So let me just bring a little bit closer to the camera and just make sure that it's actually in focus. Let me just, guys, make sure that it's in focus. So this is the beauty. You can see that it's in the hardware is in a gold color. Usually when it's a tube, it's a white contrasting stitches, and I absolutely love it because this handbag is more on the casual side. There is a pockets, one here, one there. Okay, so let's remove. So this is the felt. This is the fill up, kind of like, you know, oh, it still smells of factory. You know, it's so brand new. So that's how it looks like inside. Inside usually it's soft goat leather, and goat leather, it's very light and very durable. So let me see if I could find the production code. So on the production code, it actually says U, so I'm assuming that it's year 2022 because I didn't have any handbag from year 2022 yet. I mean, guys, I'm in love. I'm absolutely in love. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Let me just quickly check these handbags that there is no any loose stitch or anything like that. Keeping in mind that I had a problem before. No, the stitching is absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So let me show you a little bit close up in details, like, you know, this handbag, and then obviously I'm gonna show once again what fits inside. So let me show you once again a little bit closer. So just want to make sure that once again it's in focus. So right there you have obviously a classic Hermes turn lock, and it says Hermes made in France. There is two zippers. At the end of each zipper there is a at the end of each zipper there is a H logo, two gold hardwares, four feet at the bottom. There is a two side pockets, as I said, and there is also inside pocket. Let me see, I think there is just a one, no, there is a two inside pockets as well. Like, I remember when I did unboxing of my black one, it was so hard to see, but because this is lighter color, you can see much better. So there is a pocket right there, and otherwise it's just one open space. Absolutely love it, absolutely love it. And I saw so many videos already on the YouTube when the girls, they kind of turning these things around, like, you know, the handle, and they making in the shorter setting like that. So if you want to be more of the dressy or have a little bit more of the dressy look, that's how you do. Obviously I have to cut off the plastic. Absolutely love it, guys, absolutely love it. So absolutely love it, guys. You know, so happy that this handbag actually finally got back to my collection, because as I said, initially when I requested that handbag, I waited for almost, like, you know, more than a year actually, and then finally I got it in a black color. And then, you know, I had the problem with that stitch. I was so upset, you know, and even in some of my videos I even said it, that I kind of regret it. Maybe I should have, you know, kind of repaired it and kept that black one. But you know, whatever happens in life usually happens for the best, and I'm so happy that this handbag finally, you know, got back into my collection. And mini Lindy is once again getting more and more popular. The most popular size previously, it was 26. It's a little bit more on the practical side. There is a bigger size, it's almost like a travel size. But mini Lindy, the moment it was introduced, I forgot when it was introduced. I think it was introduced in 2000. 18 or 19, correct me if I'm wrong. If I will find information, obviously I will put it over here. And the moment it was introduced, it was so popular right away. It obviously sells with a premium and quite large premium on Fashion File or some other websites, but obviously I'm not buying my handbags to sell, or especially for premium. I'm buying to use myself. And tube color is the gorgeous, because like I don't think they kind of saying that it's almost like a classic Hermes color. It was started as seasonal color, but it's pretty much becomes right now classic, because I know black, obviously, rouge ash, orange is one of those really classic colors, and tube right now pretty much getting into that you know, classification of pretty much becoming classic colors. I really love it. And in fact, I have E10, Evelyn, and if you look at the E10 versus tube, it's E10 is definitely cooler color, but E10 tube, when you have it with the gold hardware, it gives a little bit more warmer look. When you have it with the you know, palladium plated hardware, it gives that kind of more cooler tone. It's absolute chameleon of the color. Anyway guys, today is just unboxing. Later on I gonna do video, I gonna compare maybe this handbag with my Della Cavalleria and with my Evelyn, because they're all mini handbags. I will show what fits inside of each of these handbag, and I mean there is many more videos to come about this handbag, because I'm absolutely in love. I'm absolutely in love. That's about it for today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It's definitely improving my chances on YouTube universe, and it's also helping other people who is searching for some information about this beautiful handbag. So please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.